Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I'm pretty much documenting my journey as I try to transition from digital marketing into becoming a data scientist. Today I'm going to be talking about salaries, and I'm going to be talking about two popular data analyst roles. One is becoming a data analyst. Another one is a data scientist. According to many statistics online, the average salary for a data analyst is going to be about $65,000 a year. Compared to a data scientist, the average salary is going to be about $123,000 per year. Obviously, it depends if you work in a big city or if you live in a small town. So where the standard of living could be much higher if you live in San Francisco compared to some small town in Minnesota. Continue checking out my videos as I document my journey. Let's go.